quick vid, show you what we've been up to lately. Just basically clearing this walled area out. So it goes right round there. Cleared all the trees on it. Burning pile up. There's pond area as well. Walled around the edge there. It's clay lined. It's got to be cleaned out. In there, basically, see the wall on the edge of it. There. That's supposed to be a pond, believe it or not. So we've got a pile of logs over there as well. We've been cutting up. Like I say, it's all needs clearing on the ground. It's full of brick rubble. It's all got to be cleared, and then it's got to be put down to a lawn eventually. But there you go. It's,